Oye, the Foundry Project is open. I am thrilled to finally offer my waitlist only fitness and weight loss programs to more people online. I am beyond passionate about offering women the truth about sustainable, healthy fitness practices that are enjoyable and doable. The key is ask for help when it's time. So when is it time? When life feels heavy. Living healthy doesn't need to be painful. Change is not overnight, but it can happen fast. There's no pills or tricks. It's about just showing up most days. Many of my clients have trained with me for over 20 years. I have trained many trainers in the New England and Midwest. Now, I can train you too. You deserve the best. Don't be a trainer's guinea pig. Learn what works. No gym, no problem. Gym, awesome. I've got you covered. Let's go. Oye, so what are you waiting for? Click on the link to join today.